All right, folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate and create a confidence interval when you know sigma. Now, obviously, this is a very rare case where you actually know sigma and you actually have to create a confidence interval, but it's a stepping stone to doing other confidence intervals, proportions, and unknown sigma. So this is the problem I'm going to do, and I'm just going to do the first part here. So according to the National Health Statistics reports, a sample of 361-year-old baby boys in the U.S., mean weight of 225.5 pounds, assume the standard, blah, 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 blah. So words, things. What do we need from this problem? So there's a lot of narration, and don't get bogged down from the narration. Well, my formula for a confidence intervals around some mu is x bar plus or minus z. This z is when sigma is known. This is going to be different. I'm going to do a subsequent video and sigma isn't known. Alpha over 2 s, I'm sorry, that's the difference, sigma divided by square root of n. Okay, so let me pull out all the pieces that I need for this problem. Then we'll go to our calculator. We'll make ourselves a little template, and then I'll give you the confidence intervals. Okay, so we have n equals 360 boys. X bar is equal to 25.5, and sigma equals 5.3, sorry. We also need to know our alpha. Well, our alpha is going to be 1 minus the confidence interval. So our confidence interval is what we'll actually use here is 0.95 or a 95% confidence interval. Okay, now let's head over to our calculator now that we have all the numbers to input into the actual into the Excel. Let's go ahead and make a template too. We love templates on this channel. Okay, let's see if I can keep both of them seen at the same time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. What do we got here? I need my x bar. I need sigma. I need n. I need to calculate z alpha over 2, but I need a couple of things before that. I need my alpha, which is 1 minus the confidence interval. So I need alpha, which is 1 minus the confidence interval. Then I need alpha over 2. So it's just going to be the one above it over 2 to actually do the z alpha over 2. So x bar here is 25.5. Sigma is 5.3. N is 360. 1 minus the confidence interval equals 1 minus 0.95. You could hard code this in there, or you could actually just put another space for the confidence interval, whichever you want to do, whatever's most comfortable. I'm actually going to make all three of those yellow because this is a little different. I actually had to put that value in there, and usually I make it its own spot. For this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and put that there. Okay. Let me divide that 0.5 by 2, 0.5 divided by 2. That one is going to be calculated. I could update this and that'll be calculated itself. What else do I need? Z alpha over 2. Okay, this is going to be norm dot inverse of the probability, the alpha over 2. My mean is 0 and my standard deviation is 1. Now be careful because I press enter and look, it gives me a negative number. Don't want a negative number for this computation. So I'm going to put a negative sign in front of there. I'm also going to switch over to formulas so you can see the formulas. You'll see the numbers at the end. Now we have all of the pieces to the confidence interval. I'm going to do lower and upper. Okay. My lower here is going to be x bar minus my z alpha over 2 times, and I put parentheses around here just to be a little bit safe, but I think I'd be safe without them, times sigma divided by square root of n. This one's going to look very similar. I could do a little, I could just probably copy this formula and change it a little bit, but we'll rewrite it anyway. This is x bar plus z alpha over 2 times sigma divided by square root of n. Now that we have all of the formulas, we'll switch back here. What you'll notice is the upper and lower limit right in the middle of those two. 25.5 is there. That's good. I should see something like that. So we are 95% confident that the true mean weight of boys that are, how old are they? 1 year old is between 24 and 26 pounds. Make yourself a template. It'll help you out a lot.